is for example auspicious day, the Disappearance Day of Sri Goswami Pad. So I want to speak few words. Just I remember one thing. Who can glorify to the Goswami Pad? One who completely surrender to the Goswami Pad, he may glorify to the Goswami Pad. And because our Shastra says, who can glorify to Lord? And who completely surrender to Lord, then he may receive the mercy of Lord, then he will glorify to Lord. ईश्वरे कृपाले स्वाय प्रजाहारे ईश्वर तत्व से ही जानी पाए। One who receives the mercy of Lord, he can glorify to Lord. Otherwise impossible. अथादि देवो पदाम जगयो प्रसाद लेसानु गृहीत एवो ही जहाति तत्तम भगवान महिमा मचानो एवो की चिरान विचेना. Brahmastuti Brahmani also explain this verse, and if you pondering the cycle of birth and death thousand times, but you may not understand about Ishwar Tattva. But if you receive the mercy of Ishwar Lord, then it is easy to speak about the Lord. So in the same way, in our Guru Parampara, the Rupa Goswami Pad, he realized the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad, he glorified to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu invested all his potential in his heart. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, Jogya Patra Jani Kari Sarva Sakti Sanchari. Mahaprabhu told Ved Rupa, he met with me in prayer, then I realized he is qualified. So for this regard, I invested all my potency, Sakti, in her. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was dancing, singing in front of Lord Jagannath, then Saru Damodar, he recited one verse, Sekta Varanatha Nam Payu Jaha Lagi Madane Gahane Churi Karu. Sekta Varanatha, after long separation, now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna, Madan Krishna. So all my body completely intoxicated. This verse Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again and again. They showed again and again recited this verse, or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dancing and singing. Because Saru Damodar, he knows the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In this verse, actually explained after long separation, Sudirga Viraha, when lover and lover were meeting together, and what kinds of ecstatic mood manifested in their heart, then no one can understand these things. Because after long separation, Srimati Radhika, she is now meeting with her beloved Krishna. In the same order, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha, now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. Yes? Actually, this is the mood. That is Sudirga Vipralamba Paschat Milan. So this Sudirga Vipralamba, after long separation, Srimati Radhika, now she is meeting with her beloved Krishna. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu expressed his own heart. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he recited one verse from Sahitya Dharpan Jakumara Bharat. So, evo hi prasta evo chitra chhala Milita Malati Surata Oga Kadamba Nila Sa Shiva Sunita Sagita Surata Vyapar Nila Riva Gogi Mudita Sita Ukali Cheta Samutta Vishati. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was reciting this verse. This is completely mundane and sexual things. That means this purport about this verse, one married lady, when she returned from her father-in-law's house to her father's house, husband's house, how are you feeling? And that time that married lady, she told, I am not happy with my husband and his house. Why? Because before marriage, we were meeting together very confidential place, no and no, according to our Indian Vedic culture. If you not marry, if you meeting together, then everybody also criticize you. For this regard, she told, before marriage, we also meeting together in hidden place on the bank of the river of Reva Nadi Tata. And very nice beautiful place. Betasi Kunja. That Kunja, that is called Betasi Kunja. Betasi Kunja means one kinds of long bamboo tree. And making very nice beautiful grove also there. So we were meeting in that place. And that time was Purnima Ratri. Fully night. Very nice, beautiful. So long hours, maybe 5 or 6 hours, we are meeting together, sitting together in different place. Midnight, nobody is there, only the waves of the rivers making the sound, kal, 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 kal. And the rays of the moon reflected on the bank of the river, on the sand, and as like silver. So very beautiful and attractive. Another thing is also sweet fragrance coming from the Madhavi Malatis and Kunjas also. They are nearby. They are one garden of Madhavi and Malati. The sweet fragrance of coming. And not only these, also some Kadamba flowers blossom and coming in this. And both we are embracing each other and close to each other, sitting in their place. And that time we also talked about sexual things because Surata Vyaparalila Vidhu means we discuss about stupid nonsense things, that is called sexual things. And in this way we passed the almost whole night. And that time was very beautiful and attractive. Still my mind is returned back that the time how we meet. Now we married, after some time they we married together. Now we are married life, meeting freely, but that kind of happiness is not coming. So for this regard I want to return back my that life. Now that person, he is my husband, and I am his wife. We are meeting together freely, no one criticizes to us. But still my mind is not happy. So why not Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again and again, dancing and singing and reciting these words? Everybody's head starts spinning. Why not Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is the crowns and jewels of the sannyasi? Sannyasis should not speak any sexual things and mundane things. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again and again recited this verse, Jago Mara Bharat, so Epi Barasta, so Evo Chaitra Chaka. Only Sarup Damodar, he knows the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Sarup Damodar is very happy and absolutely ecstatic. But that year, Rupa Goswami Pad, he came and Rupa Goswami Pad, and then he realized the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Rath Yatra finished, then Rupa Goswami Pad, he came in the cottage of Haridas Thakur, Siddha Bhakta. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in Jagannath Puri, but next morning Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he took darshan to Jagannath Dev. Early in the morning, Lord Chaitanya took darshan, Jagannath darshan. After Jagannath darshan, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came to the cottage of Haridas Thakur Siddha Bhakta. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu suddenly he saw one very nice piece of paper that is called Talpatra. And their handwriting was very nice and beautiful, delightful. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took that palm leaf called Talpatra, and Lord Chaitanya purport of this book is Kurukshetra, where Srimati Radhika, she met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. Srimati Radhika, she expressed her heart. Now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna in this Kurukshetra Milita. But my heart is not Vajrayi. I am same Radha, or my beloved Krishna is same Krishna. Both we are meeting together here in Kurukshetra, but I am not happy. Why? Because here Krishna's mood is different. His activities are different. Here Krishna, he is decorated with a crown on his head. No murali, no peacock feather, nothing. No gunja mala. Here Krishna, as a very nice, beautiful, powerful king. And all his also associates, parikar, they are different beings. And many also, what is called, horses, elephants, and also chariot, they are making sound. But also, and everybody paying their senses to Krishna. But my mind is return back to Vrindavan. Vrindavan Krishna is Paraham, Virinadalo, Karnikanikar, Vipradavasva, Krishna, Vijintamalam, Ranghan, Vedavadar Sudaya, Puraniku Vrindai, Vrindavan, Sudaran, Pravi, Sudhidingirti. So Chaitanya, so this is my beloved Krishna. Now here Krishna is different. So Srimati Radhika is asking, hey Krishna, please come in Vrindavan. Because Vrindavan is your heart. Vrindavan is your home. Back to God, back to home. And there are so many very nice, beautiful places there. Jamuna Devi, she is, what is called? Flowing there. And there are also cuckoo birds. They are singing very nicely. Cuckoo birds. Peacock, peahen, singing K-ka. Gurudev explained what is the meaning of K-ka, peacock, peahen singing. That is, who can defeat to Krishna? Sukapakshi, he is saying, Krishna. That is Suka, peacock, he is taking the part of Suka. As Sari, he takes the part of Srimati Radhika. Saying only Srimati Radhika, she can defeat to Krishna. So in this way, in Vrindavan, peacock, peahen, they are singing K-ka. And also many kinds of kunjas is there, flowers, and Krishna's mood is spontaneous mood in there. So Srimati Radhika is saying in this verse, Priya Suvayam Sahajini Kurukshetre Milita Statahan Saradha Tulim Ubayo Sangha Sukam Tathapi Khelana Mukura Murali Panjanu Se Monome Kalindi Purina Bhutana. They have to return back to Vrindavan Krishna. So Rupa Goswami Path, he wrote this verse when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu read, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in his testimony. Same time Rupa Goswami Path, after taking birth in the ocean, and Rupa Goswami Path, he paid his obeisances towards the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu patted on his back. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked, did you write this verse? Then the Rupa Goswami Path, he also noted in that place. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked to Sarup Damodar, Sarup, how did you know this heart? Yesterday I decided one verse, Sahitya Darpan, commanded by the Rupa Krishna group. He also composed this verse, the same parallel mood. What is the same parallel mood? Same mood. That is called the Parakyatya Bhava. Yeah, in this verse, very clearly explaining how Parakya Bhava, parallel mood, is higher than Sakya. So, Gaudiya Vaishnava means is what I'm saying. That is called Apragita Parakya Bhava. When you speak, or you tell me. Or you tell me. Okay. So, Parakya Bhava. That is called transcendental Parakya Bhava. So for this, accordingly, instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote many granthas. Ujjalimani Grantha, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Vidagdha Madhav, Lalit Madhav. Even Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote one grantha before met with Lord Chaitanya. That is called Hamsa. Very nice. In this way, Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote 1 lakh slokas. 1 lakh sloke, very lakh. Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote 1 lakh slokas also and glorified to Divine Radha. Most of his grantha glorified about Braj Parvata. Now I just finished, maybe 2 minutes I will take according to rules. The one, Gurudev, and Srila Bhamma Goswami Maharaj, Srila Vedanta Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Joan Janardana Goswami Maharaj, and Arunavati Dham, all the senior Goswami Devi together. That time, Gurudev, Srila Goswami Maharaj, he asked to Janardana Goswami Maharaj. Janardana Goswami Maharaj, he was very prominent disciples of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, and he was very Rasik Vaishnava. And always he was crying, Ha Vishwamanandini, Ha Vishwamanandini. And he talked about Radha Krishna's all the Madhurya Vilasik pastimes, especially Braj Leela Katha, Halili Katha. That time Srila Gurudev Goswami Maharaj, he asked to him, we have the Raganuga Bhajan, 3 types of bhajan. One is called Vaidhi Bhakti, another is called Raganuga Bhakti, another is also called Rupanuga Bhakti. Let's understand. Vaidhi Bhakti, those who are just spontaneous love and affection with Krishna, by the fear of Shastra, practicing Bhakti, that is called Vaidhi Bhakti. Ragin Jan Bhaja Shastra Takkai, Vaidhi Bhakti, Balitare, Sarva Shastra. Who has no spontaneous love and affection with Krishna, and following the rules and regulation of the Shastra, that is called the Vaidhi Bhakti. Raganuga Bhakti, stays Avishkara, Paramashkara, Vedanta Bhavishkara, Ragatmika, Ragatmika, Nusita Jasa, Raganuga Bhakti, Virajamati Bhakti, Vijwas, Vijanas. Rupa Goswami Pad very clearly explained, those who are eternally assist of Krishna, Krishna's Nitya Parikara, they have spontaneous love and affection in Krishna. And they are called Ragatmik, Raga Atmik Ragatmik. And one who reads the granthas, such as Goswami Pad Grantha, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Ujjalimani, all of the Shastra, then when they read it, the greed is coming. When greed is coming, that time is thinking, I have to start to defend Radha and Krishna under guidance of Brajavasis. They are called, that sadhak is called Raganuga sadhak. But what is the meaning of Rupanuga sadhak? So Gurudev asked this question, what is the meaning of Rupanuga sadhak? These things. Because all Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they are very proud when they are giving their own identification. I am Rupanuga Gaudiya Vaishnava. Rupanuga Gaudiya, specific, what is called? I am Rupanuga Gaudiya Vaishnava. So what is the meaning of Rupanuga Gaudiya? Rupanuga. So that time, Srila Gurudev Bhamma Goswami Maharaj, he told to Narada, okay, you ask the question, you give the answer. So according to instruction of my Gurudev Bhamma Goswami Maharaj, then Srila Gurudev Narada Goswami Maharaj, he gave very nice answer. So here Gurudev told, Rupanuga means that one who has greed, Sadhu Brajavasi, Nitya Brajavasi, this is true. But especially how to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. So Rupa Manjari Anugatmai Seva. under guidance of Guru. As I Narottam Das Thakur sang this song, partition. Kabe loko nangha mori sange loya jabe sirubero pad padme more samorpite heno ki hoibe moro narma sakhi gane anugato narottame koribe sasane. In this verse very clear, Narottam Das Thakur very clearly explained why my Gurudev Loknath Das Goswami or Manjulali. When my Gurudev Loknath Das Goswami set me with him and offered to do the feet of Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari. And Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari will offer the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And very clearly Rupanuga Vaishnava Narottam Das Thakur in his Bengali song and especially what is it? Prem Bhakti Chandrika very clearly explained. And then Manjulali, he took me and offered two lotus feet of Rupa Manjari. And Rupa Manjari, and she also engaged me to serve to Srimati Radhika. And here Narottam Das Thakur in his Siddha Paricaya, Anu Vilas Manjari. So now in this verse, he has also explained this way. Then I served Srimati Radhika's very nice beautiful way. Kunja Seva in the heat. Srimati Radhika's bed. In the meantime, Srimati Radhika, she came and Srimati Radhika, she glorified the bed. Oh, in this Kunjadi bed, who and served this? That time Rupa Manjari, she told, oh, this new circuit, and she made this. And then Srimati Radhika said, that has she come from? वो कहाँ से आई? Then Rupa Manjari, she told, Manjulali Ami Dilok Ei Navasakhi, Navadasi. Manjulali, Manjulali, she brought me and offered to me, and so I engaged to service this seva. Then Srimati Radhika is very pleased and very nice beautiful this service. So in this way, the Sikh have to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. And here is saying also, but in the same way, sadhak, when you listen this katha, the group will come. I have to serve Srimati Radhika, but how to serve under guidance of Rupa Manjari. So if you want to serve under guidance of Rupa Manjari, this is true. But you have to follow Rupa Goswami Sadhaka Rupana and Siddha Rupana. Here Buddha very clearly explained, if you want to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari, then you have to do bhajan and sadhan in the same mood of Rupa Goswami Sadhaka Rupena and Siddha Rupena. What is it? Srila Rupa Goswami Pad very clearly explained this Sadhaka Rupena and Siddha Rupena. In Sadhaka Rup, you have to absorb with Rupa Goswami Pad, and Siddha Rup also you also absorb with Rupa Manjari. This is the process. Otherwise you cannot serve. So in our Rupanuga Vaishnava we see, there is a Rupanuga topmost Vaishnava that is called Raghunath Das Goswami, Jiva Goswami Pad. Then Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, and Narottam Das Thakur Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in our Guru Parampara. So I pay my obeisances, lotus feet of all our Guru Vargas, how they also serve their Ishtadev under guidance of Guru Parampara and serve to Srimati Radhika. Jai Srimati Radhika ki jai, Jai Goswami Pad ki Manjari ki jai, Rupa Goswami Gopinath ki